Today I want to show you how to apply themes in MS Excel worksheet. See, I have written applying themes. First of all, the selection, it's selected now. Come to the size, see the size changing. Come to the font style, come to the color option, see the color option, come to bold, italics, underline. These all we did in the last video. Now we are going to apply themes. To apply themes, we have the page layout option. In the page layout option, we have option themes. Click on themes. See, the themes are changing. As you are moving your mouse pointer over there, the themes are changing. Now, how to apply conditional formatting. It is a feature that is used to assign certain formatting only when the value of the cell meets the specified condition. I have written some numbers in the form of a table. Let us make it bold with the help of size button so that you can see on the screen. To apply conditional formatting, first of all select the cells that we have already selected. Come to the home tab, then come to the conditional formatting. See the conditional formatting option. Click on it. Click on highlight cell rules. When I am taking my mouse pointer over highlight cell rules, I have another window in which it is written greater than, less than, between, equal to, and so on. Come to the between or any detail from it. I am clicking on the between. It is asking format cells that are in between. I am putting 90, and another option I am putting 50. Light red fill with dark red text. You can change it with the red border, with red text, and any option you can change it. Then click on OK. See, it is changed now. The numbers that are more than 50 and less than 90 are in red color. Now the formula. Formula is a sequence of values or cell references. Cell references are cell addresses, or name of functions or operators. Operators are plus, minus, into, divide, etc. that produces a new value for existing values, as 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, etc. To do simple formula, to solve the question with the help of simple formula, let us come to the cell. Any cell you can use. I am taking this cell, put an equal to sign with the help of keyboard, then add the cell addresses. Let us suppose I want to add this and this, 6 and 3. So the cell is G24. Right here G24, then the sign plus, and I want to add it H24. Write it with the help of keyboard H24 and press the enter key. You can get the result here with the help, as you are pressing your enter key. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, and the result you can see it is 9. In the same way you can add more numbers. The next is performing common calculations. To do it, first of all select the cells. I am selecting the cell in this way. Now come to formula option. Then here it is the function, insert function auto sum. By clicking on it, we can add the sum here, 121. Then again clicking on this cell and come to the right border, the mouse pointer changes to the bold plus sign and take it downwards. You can get the result here. See, this is the total of the second line, the third line, and so on. In the same way, we can total in this direction also. Just select, then come to auto sum. You can get average, you can get count number, you can get maximum, you can get minimum. Let us suppose I want to take maximum. See the answer, you can get 98 is the maximum from this line.